So LifterLMS is the most powerful, flexible learning management system for WordPress on the market. It can be used for simple online courses, training-based membership sites, online schools, internal company training portals. Really, the options are endless. But if you'd like to scale your platform beyond what you've seen in this video, I want to show you these resources. If you go inside your LifterLMS powered website, click on LifterLMS and then add-ons and more. These are other add-ons that LifterLMS has for various advanced features or integrations. And you can click through to learn more about all these. But I'm going to go over what we're seeing here really quick. But then if you want to find out more, you can just click on these links inside your website or head on over to LifterLMS.com and go to the software and find all the add-ons. And you can get these individually, or you can get them as part of bundles. So we have two bundles, the Universe bundle, which is a lot of things, and the Infinity bundle, which is everything. So groups is for if you're selling course and volume to a company or any kind of group really. So let's say you have $1,000 course and you're selling, 100 seats in that to a company. You can do that, and they can have, they'll pay the $100,000, and then you'll have like a more experience where that company can then track its employees' progress and stuff like that. So that's what groups is for. Advanced quizzes unlocks a lot of new question types. Assignments allows students to submit uploads with manual grading and essays and some other assignment types. We've got advanced videos, which does video tracking in the analytics, and you can even require people to watch the whole video before they can advance, and some other features like that. Social learning is a social media style aspect to your site where students get more advanced profiles, a member directory, and can connect with each other. Private areas is for offering private coaching. It's like having private content between the instructor and the learner. For like coaching. So let's say you have a $1,000 course with then a $5,000 private coaching upsell, and you need a place to put like private coaching call recordings and stuff like that, and have private conversations with the coaching client. That's what private areas is for. Custom fields allows you to basically collect any kind of data as people are registering and display it wherever you want on the website. PDFs allows you to generate PDF certificates that you can share and other PDF needs. These are our payment gateways, Stripe, PayPal, and Authorize.net, which work with LifterLMS's conversion optimized one-screen checkout. And then we also have an optional integration with WooCommerce if you'd like to sell via WooCommerce and have those WooCommerce products connected directly to LifterLMS course and membership enrollments. We've got email marketing integrations with MailChimp and ConvertKit. And we have these form integrations with Gravity Forms, WP Forms, Formidable Forms, and Ninja Forms, which allow you to create custom user registration forms or require people to, complete a form before they can complete a lesson. There's really a lot of options there. We've got the text messaging integration with Twilio, with features like enroll by text or sending text messages based on behavior in the LMS to the student. And we have our theme called Launchpad. So these are the LifterLMS add-ons. So if you would like to upgrade your site to have more functionalities or integrations, these are the add-ons. You can get all of them in the Infinity bundle, and you can get many of them with the Universe bundle. So if you have any questions, or you're trying to upgrade and you already got something and you want to get something, a bigger bundle or something like that, and you're unclear on how to do that, just shoot us an email. We'll have a link down below on how to contact us so we can help you out. So that is how to scale your learning management system and make it even more powerful with this powerful suite of add-ons.